Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trades Videos coming to you live from the rooftops of Bangkok, Thailand, guys. It's a great time to be live. We're going to be talking about a whole bunch of stuff. Looks like right now we're seeing that a whole bunch of Bitcoin ATMs have been hacked out there. So we're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about the price movement that we're going to see for this week. We're seeing also we're going to take a look at the broader markets, and pre-markets are looking pretty nasty in the house. We're also going to be talking about the DXY and the euro. Looks like some bad news for the dollar when it comes. Some good news for the dollar, but bad news for the euro, guys. So we're seeing a whole bunch of really weird or wacky stuff going on right now. So we're going to jump into that, guys. So good morning, good afternoon, welcome to the channel, guys. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, boost the likes, subscribe like crazy, and don't forget to give super chats in the live stream. I would really appreciate it. And if you're not in the live stream, you can go down there and give super thanks and show some love to the OG. I would really appreciate it. So without further delay, let's get into the content. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. It's just an OG in the house expressing my opinion, guys. So let's get it while I can. Do go back and watch all my other videos. Don't miss a beat, don't miss a trick. Definitely you want to go back and do consider becoming members, guys. I would appreciate that. So right now, if we take a look at the pre-markets, our pre-markets are looking really nasty in the house. We're seeing the Dow Jones is down over 300 points right now. We're seeing that the S&P is down almost 1.14%, and we're seeing that the Nasdaq is like tanking, and the markets haven't even opened. So it looks like the futures markets are just insane. So we can definitely expect that the broader markets are just going to be a big poo-poo schmata out there. So guys, buckle up. And we are seeing that crypto is down right now. Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, Doge is down, Shiba is down. Everything is going down, down. So you know, this could be the market makers, guys. The market makers could actually be manipulating the markets. And I did see that the red vectors, you know, are definitely building up, and that's not good, guys. So let's jump into it. Also, too, if you're in England right now, it looks like England is going to be facing a huge crisis when it comes to natural gas and heating. So you know, and the government of the UK doesn't know what they're going to be doing about that. So it looks like we're going to be seeing a huge crisis coming out for that. So that's definitely not going to help the broader economy. That's just going to be nasty. So you know, if you're in the UK, you better get out of there because you've got inflation. You're going to have oil and gas going nuts. Get out of there now before you can. Sell up, move to Bangkok, Thailand, guys. I would appreciate it. And you know, sell up, guys. Get to Thailand. So take a look at the heat map right now. I don't have my sunglasses else. My eyes will be burned, but my eyes are burning because I'm looking at the sun over there. The sun in my face. But it's a great time, and we'll definitely be taking a look at what we're seeing out here on the 40th floor in a second. So we're seeing that right now. BTC is down. Ethereum is down. But you know, if I look at the markets, if I look at the pre-markets and broader markets, definitely we're going to be seeing a much we're going to see crypto just going down. We're going to see more tankety tank out there. Like I said, we could see the market makers, you know, what they're going to do is they're going to push this down, and they're going to, you know, entice you know, a lot of people to start taking some long positions on leverage, and then what they're going to do is going to be wham bam, thank you man, take it down to 17. So also seeing that Peter Schiff is also spreading some FUD about how bad Bitcoin is, and often when this loser knucklehead starts to talk about Bitcoin in a negative way, you want to do what the opposite of he's saying. If it's going down, then Bitcoin's going up, guys. So right now, don't forget we got the PCE data that's coming out on Friday, guys and gals. So definitely you guys want to be buckling up for that one. That's going to be a big one. So we do have that coming out on Friday. Yeah, core PCI index, and that's really going to be telling. But from that perspective, we did see that the inflation rate went down, and typically if the inflation rate goes down, we're going to see the core PCE coming down on Friday. So Friday we could see the broader markets, see the crypto markets. We could see a bit of a pump that's going to be coming on Friday, guys. So buckle up. I mean, this is actually not a bad time to pick up some positions on Bitcoin, guys. So I'm going to also be talking about how what we're going to see for Bitcoin in 2024, 2025 price-wise. So you know, remember, you know, the narrative for Bitcoin is still strong. The narrative for Bitcoin is still powerful. I mean, if you take a look at gold in the last 10 years, you know, gold in the last 10 years, it's only gone up about 7.8%. But if you take a look at Bitcoin in the last 10 years has gone up 265,000%, guys. So it just goes to show that Bitcoin is the narrative. Bitcoin is a financial freedom. And remember, if you're in crypto, you are your own bank, and make sure you secure your crypto, guys. It's so important that you secure your crypto. And the only way you can secure your crypto out there is you got to get yourselves a hardware wallet right now. And you know, we've seen this big ATM hackety hack that's coming out. We're going to be jumping into that. So you can see right now that we can see that Peter Schiff continues to FUD Bitcoin on Twitter. And whenever this snowflake starts to FUD Bitcoin and say that Bitcoin is dead and this and that, and we've seen that in the past, we've seen that Bitcoin has been declared dead over 512 times, but Bitcoin keeps coming back, guys. So anytime that Peter Schiff does say that Bitcoin is dead and Bitcoin is dying, that's a good time to be buying, guys. Doing exactly the opposite of what he's doing, because he is a big snowflake knucklehead out there. Also, what's coming in right now, we're seeing that hackers successfully manipulated Bitcoin ATM servers of General Bytes, which operates 8,827 ATMs globally, to make themselves the beneficiary of all incoming crypto, guys. So this is a huge exploit, absolutely a huge exploit. And what they did is they used the hackers used the 0-day bug to steal from General Bytes of Bitcoin. So they've been taking a ton of Bitcoin out there. So like I said, guys, be careful out there. Absolutely, you want to be careful out there. It's a great time to be alive. So what else is coming in? It's just in almost plus 1 million Australians have transacted Bitcoin or crypto since 2018. So we're seeing that the number of transactions for Bitcoin, the number of transactions for cryptocurrency, not only in Australia, but worldwide, is growing, guys. It is your freedom. It's my freedom. And guys, you are your own bank. When you own crypto, you are your own bank. I mean, like today, I transferred some fiat to Bitcoin from Vietnam to Thailand, and it took like 15 minutes. There's no middleman. Nobody told me how much I could send. There was no fees. I mean, there was a very tiny fee, but guys, it is absolutely freedom, guys. It's absolutely freedom, because if I'd have used the SWIFT system to transfer stuff from overseas to Thailand, it would have taken days, guys, absolutely days, and there'd be fees, there'd be this, there'd be that, there'd be this underlying, that underlying. So it is actually financial freedom, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. Also, too, we're seeing right now, if you take a look at Bitcoin's outlook of a country, you can see that right now Nigeria, India, and Vietnam, Argentina, and South Africa, these are the countries that are most optimistic about Bitcoin and the economy and the economic empowerment that it provides. So the key here is that Bitcoin provides economic empowerment, guys. So you're seeing that Nigeria, India, Vietnam, Argentina are the countries that are the most optimistic when it comes to crypto, guys. And you can see that if you look at optimism, you can see that 29% of the people in the United States are optimistic, 35% are neutral, and 36% are skeptical. So you can see that it looks like look at Vietnam, optimism, and this crypto is empowering you. It's absolutely empowering. So if you guys want to get on the empowerment train, get on the money train, get on the financial freedom train, crypto is a way to go, guys. So we may have cryptocurrency, definitely we're going to be seeing peaks, we're going to be seeing valleys, we're going to be seeing things going up and down, but the general Wendy Trendy is your friend, zoom out, the narrative is positive. It's always been positive. And as I told you, in the last 10 years, Bitcoin has gone up 265,000%. And look at gold. The gold is only 7.98%, guys. What is wrong with that? So guys, wake up, smell the coffee. It is time to get into it, guys. And if you're not into it, you're just missing the boat, guys. So don't miss the boat. Get it while you can. What else is coming in right now? We're also seeing that just in euro falls equivalent to US dollar for the second time this year. So we're seeing that the euro is tanking. The euro is absolutely tanking. If you take a look at the DXY right now, we can see that the DXY on the daily right now has gone insane, and the DXY is at 108.353. And up around about 14th of July, we saw that the DXY went up to 109. I think that we're going to be seeing the DXY absolutely pumping soon, and this is not good for crypto, not good for Bitcoin, because it puts a downward sell pressure on Bitcoin. And and that's why I'm really concerned that Friday, when we have all this economic data that's coming out, this could be bad news. Good for the economy, good for the American markets. American macroeconomic data is going to be good, but it's going to push DXY through the roof, and that's going to put more and more pressure on Bitcoin. And that could actually push Bitcoin price down. And if that happens, we're going to see Ethereum go down. We're going to see Doge go down, BNB go down. Everything is just going to cascade down, guys. So that is what that is all about. So don't panic, guys. Absolutely do not panic out there. Wendy Trendy is your friendly. Sometimes you just have to wait for life-changing wealth, guys. Absolutely, you have to wait for life-changing wealth. And in 2024, 2025, we're going to cover that. Keep watching. You'll see that it's insane. The price targets for 2024, 2025 are insane, and millionaires, absolute millionaires, are going to be made in 2024, 2025. All you have to do is dollar cost average, diversify, and hold, guys. Absolutely hold and wait for life-changing wealth. Justin, Australian Prime Minister, says that they will make crypto token mapping a priority this year to identify how they should regulate, guys. So it looks like that Australia has really embraced crypto, and they need to understand that they need to regulate. And we're still seeing that America still undecided. We've still got the SEC. We've still got the Commodities Exchange Commission. people are fighting about who should regulate what. What we need from the United States is we need a clear, concise regulatory framework. That way we can see institutions and corporations start to open. That is what we need. That's what we're waiting for. What is going on out there with that? Also, this is coming in, we can see 4 signals in 11 years, and this is for the bottom, 2015, 2018, 2020, and we're seeing that in June. From that perspective, what he's saying is that June was absolutely the bottom for a Bitcoin, and I really believe that the bottom is absolutely in, and that was when we hit around about 17,800, 17,500. I believe that the bottom is in, the bottom is here. Sure, we might go back, we might retest those levels, we might even retest these levels this week, but overall, I believe that the bottom is in. So if you guys think the bottom is in, smash the likes, boot the like, subscribe, and don't forget to give super chats in the live stream. I would appreciate it. Show some love out there. I would appreciate the more love that you can show, the happier the OG is, guys. So it is a great time to be alive. What else is coming in right now? We're also seeing that if we take a look at the Bitcoin roadmap, we're seeing here is a potential roadmap envisioned for BTC by next halving. And what we're looking at here by next halving, we could see that there should helicopter flying by. Wow, I think it's going to land on the roof of my building. So what we're seeing is that there could be a rally all the way to the reload zone between 49,000 and 58,000. So we can see a rally to the reload zone. And what they're saying is that in 2024, 2025, these are definitely the reload zones, a correction to get the Wyckoff check, then until halving and beyond. So according to this, we could be seeing that in 2000, around about July 2025, we could be seeing about $210,000 Bitcoin incoming. If we rewind a little bit, we could see that in 2023 we are looking at around about $58,000, and that is definitely going to be a huge reload zone. And we can see a reload zone in Q1 next year between 49,000 and 58K, and that should take us higher and higher. And by the end of 2023, we could be seeing ourselves around about 80K with a huge explosion in 2025, and that could culminate in according to Titan, according to Titan of Crypto, we could be seeing a $210,000 coming in. So guys, like I said, accumulate now, stack your sats. All you got to do right now is stack your sats, pick up as much Bitcoin as you can, hodl. And remember, we're not making any more Bitcoin. We're absolutely not making any more Bitcoin. So this is a great time, an absolutely great time to build your portfolio, build your wealth. And it's amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. It's hot up here. You can see I'm sweating like crazy out there. What else is coming in right now? We're also seeing that for the Bitcoin price right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at $21,278, and it's been supported at the 21,350 levels, but it has broken down from that right now. So this is our next support level. Our next resistance level is around 22,600. So let me just mark that. Let me mark that in red right there. So those are the areas that we're looking at. I believe that we could even see Bitcoin could actually, we could see Bitcoin starting to collapse down to $18,000. So get prepared for that, buckle up. But I still believe that the low for Bitcoin is around about 17,800. I think that is absolutely the low, guys. So buckle up. Worst case scenario, we could see $18,000 coming in. I'm not panicking. I mean, I hope that comes in, because I'm going to be loading up like a madman, guys. We're seeing that Bitcoin on the weekly is also down, down. I'm not sure if we can recover this candle in the green. I believe that we're probably going to be going down. And like I said, we could be going down to this level around about 18,490, which is currently the cost of mining one Bitcoin. So if we get below that, we could be seeing that the miners dumped, guys. So the worst case scenario for Bitcoin right now is about $14,000. So I don't think so. I think the bottom is in at 17,800-ish. Let's take a look what's going on right now with the Doge Awards. So right now, Doge is not looking too good. It is broken down, but down below our 0.68 support level. So guys, what you got to do is you got to get to Twitter. You've got to get to Twitter. Hashtag buy Doge now. We've got to get the social hype. We got to get the word out there. Get the message out there. Doing only good every day. That's Doge, guys. So what do I see for Doge? If Doge doesn't get above this resistance line here, Doge could break down and go as low as 6 cents, guys. So you just have to buckle up and wait for that one. Let's take a look at what's going on with Shiba Inu right now. So right now, for the price of Shiba Inu right now, Shiba Inu is down around about 3% right now, and we have this support line that goes all the way back from the 21st of June, and that support line is still holding. But if we break down from that support line, then definitely Shiba Inu is going to be looking pretty nasty out there, and we could be seeing that Shiba Inu could be going down as low as 11 to 10 in the house. So we definitely need Shiba Inu to continue on, because we have a huge support level around about this area here. Let me turn that green. And we also have some support around about this area here, which is around about the 9, around about the 10.4 zone. So those are the support zones that I'm looking at, and if we do not continue on this upward trajectory, we'll see that Shiba Inu will collapse down to 10. So we'll just keep on keeping on. Let's take a look at what's going with Ethereum right now. Ethereum right now is not looking good. It has broken down from our $1,700 level, and we're probably going to be looking at our next support level for Ethereum is looking around about this area, around about I would say around about $1,500 is our next support level. About 1527 is our next support level for Ethereum. If we break down below that, then we're going to be looking at the next support level about 1331. So it's not looking good for Ethereum as well. Things are not looking good at all, guys and gals. Let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house, see what's going on. Let's get out of here. So right now we're seeing that the amount of leverage traders have been wrecked about $128 million, and that's around about 48,000 traders. And if we take a look at the hourly right now, we're seeing, let me give this a minute to refresh, make sure we got the correct hourly data for you. We're seeing that on the hourly time frame, we are probably going to see mainly shorts out there. So hopefully we'll get a reversal in, get a little bit of short squeeze that'll help take Bitcoin up. Let's take a look at the total market cap right now. The total market cap is about 103 trillion, and you know, we're seeing that the volumes are a little bit light at 41.02 billion, and Bitcoin dollars is at 39.47. Let's take a look at the coins in the house. Let's see what's going on right now. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is down about almost 0.5% at 21,328. We're seeing Ethereum is down almost 3% at 1575. We're seeing that BNB is also down almost at 0.32% at 296. We're seeing that ADA is also down. It's not looking too good for ADA, well below 50 cents. We're seeing that also Solana is collapsing. We're seeing Doge is going down, DOT is down, Shiba Inu is down. So we're seeing basically red everywhere. We're seeing blood and carnage everywhere, and I think we're going to bleed out some more, guys, because we're looking at the pre-markets are looking absolutely disgusting out there. So guys, buckle up. It's going to be a rough ride today, and that's going to bring this video to a close, guys. Do go follow me on my Twitter, guys. Let's get this up to 5,000 followers. Go there right now. Do it. Don't forget to check out all the links below. Get the links, guys. Get the links. You want the links. I want you to get the links, so get it. You know, it's a great time to be alive. Absolutely a great time to be alive, and you can find all the links right down here below. So get it, guys. It's absolutely a great time to be alive. So also, don't forget to get the merch, guys. Gear up with the merch. I would appreciate it if you guys would pick up the merch and show some love for the OG. It's a great time to be alive as well. We got the hat, we got the mug, we got all sorts of great stuff. So support the channel. I would appreciate it. So guys, be blessed, be well. Be careful out there. Crypto is a jungle. Watch out for the market makers. Watch out for Hunter Wicks. We definitely could be seeing that the markets could collapse, and we're seeing that the pre-markets are not looking good, guys. So peace out.